Here we understand the reverse string, the value is giving to 1 to 3 and it will be reverse 3 to 1 like this. And next example, same example, 1 to 3 it's reverse in minus 1 to 3, and third example is 1 to 20 and it is reversing. Now 0 is coming front and 2 1, so reverse the 0 is a not valid, so it will be not right to here. So first of all we decide the complexity is the 2 की power n square, because there are two loops are used for there, so it is a for only n 2 की power n square exactly. And we understand first of all, and we these types of example. Here we given a 32-bit integer return as it is reverse if reversing case when the value outside is 32-bit. It's mean the 32 value is reversing, then minus 31 to plus 31 minus 1. The value highest value is this and lowest value is to minus 2 की power 31, and then return value 0. Assumed environment is not allowed to yet 64-bit integer assign or unsigned. Okay, now we understand in the notepad. Now we will come in our paint, and now here we understand how to design this pattern. Now we write from simply copy from here and then paste from here, and here we paste easily. Here this value is here we understand how to it is valuable. The value is directly changed. Here the value is directly changed and it will be reversed in 3 to 1 simply, and here also a value will be changed and directly it will be changed in minus. The minus sign is not be convert into plus sign, so it is not required to change. Then it is a 3 to 1 same value like example. With third value we take, and x equals to third example is like we take 490, like we change it into is 49 only, because 0 is not required. If you write 0, there is no variable of 0 in front of any value, so it is not required to write here. So we thought that they always everyone will understand this, and now we move forward to understand the code also. And simply we cut this tab and move in the code. Here we code right from here like example. We understand how to understand. First of all we understand the code. Here the value is giving the 1 and integer. First of all we check the upper limit is equals to 2 into 2 की power, because here is a upper limit is a 2 की power 31 minus 1, so we write from here 2 into 31 minus 1, so it is a upper limit is this. And negative value is like a, for example, it is a negative is equals to a. If value is negative value a is stored in a is negative, and it is a less than a is then less than 0. So if is negative, if if the value is negative, then a equals to -1, then minus sign is the assigned to the, like example we here the 3 to 1 it is a reversing and minus value is assigned in front. So like this format is showing from here like this. If the value is not negative, if 0 is 0, if 0 is value is like this, if condition is assigned, first of all we understand, if the a is a greater than 0, then 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 the value, then a equals to a, like this. So there is a no any negative sign is stored in there is no any problem for that. So we understand now, and simply we write there is no problem for because there is a assign the value. And now we understand the another point, the reverse equals to, first of all we take a one variable that's name is reverse, and we take only any variable, like we take r also, then also, but we for understanding we take the reverse, there is no any problem. And so we take a one while loop is for continue, it will be when the condition is true, at the time of condition is true, then the code will be execute continue, there is no any problem. And second is a large digit equal to a is divided modulus 10, then if the reverse is greater, if the upper limit minus lower limit divided by 10, it is always come in a integer value, not a float, not a correct, only it gives you only integer. Upper limit here we get from here upper limit, and from here large digit is always take from here, and large digit is take from here, and both are upper limit minus large digit minus and divide by 10. It is a this sign is always give this sign. First of all we here understand the this sign always for integer, for int. Okay, this sign is always give the output in integer format, not a float or no any, it's convert directly into the integer. And first of all we take the condition, this value is a greater than reverse value is greater than this value, after calculating this value. And reverse equals to reverse into 10 plus last digit, and last digit is take from here the a value, first of all take, and then it will be a divided by 10, then the value is come from here. And then one condition is also available, if the is negative, if the is negative like this condition is true, then this condition follow is negative, then this value store from here, negative, then reverse equals to minus reverse, like same. Okay, and the reverse will come from for the, why we use this, because of we want to store a value, so we use this. Okay, now we run this code and get the this code is right or wrong. First of all we understand. Okay, now it is successfully compiled and execute. Now we directly submit this code without any problem, and now it is successfully submit also. Now we meet you next video, and goodbye and good night.